Hello folks, I know I said that I was going to be doing these intercooler pipes, and I have actually started. As you can see, the one off that side's off and it's over there. So yeah, I want to show you how dirty this pipe actually is. Okay, the other one on the other side was exactly the same, really dirty. Now this is how I've got it up to now. As you can see, it's still dirty, but it's nowhere near as dirty as it was. Okay, and all that is degreaser. That's all that I've used on that. Now I'm going to give it a little hit with wet and dry and restart the video. Okay guys and girls, this is the pipe, and all I've done here, as you can see, there's a fair bit of a shine on that now. All I've done there is some wet and dry and a little bit of wire wool. As you can see, there's still a few marks on it. I'm not really too fussed about those, but as you can see, it's a lot better than it was. So folks, I'm sure you'll agree, compared to that one, that is quite impressive. Obviously it's not fitted yet, it's just sitting there, but once we get it finished, we get the front mount back on, I mean, as you can see, there's no shine to this whatsoever. And this one, it's just night and day in comparison. So we'll get this finished and we'll get it put back on. I've got the other one to do that runs off that, runs up to the inlet manifold, so we'll get that finished and we'll take it from there. Okay folks, I feel that this pipe, this is the one that runs across the top of the engine into the inlet manifold. I believe that because of the dirt, the shape of this pipe, this is a good one to show you exactly how it's going to come up, and I'm sure you'll agree. I mean, look at that, that's filthy. So we'll have a little look and see how I can get it. I'll let you see this product working. As you can see, it's basically turning everything to like white bubbles. Yeah, you can see here, it's like all white bubbles everywhere. That's basically, I think, the product eating in to all the dirt and into the metal and everything else to get it looking really good, because as you can see, the difference in it already is astronomical. So we'll keep going and I'll turn you back on. Now, that's the pipe after one application. It's exactly the same part of pipe after one application of the degreaser I used. Now, I'm pretty sure you'll agree, that is mighty impressive, really impressive. I've never seen a product that can do that to aluminium in my life. It's really impressive product, and in a lot of ways a light wrap, if you were wanting a decent job, a light wrap with sandpaper and a little wire wool, and that's spotless. I'm going to get it better than that, but you know, it's very impressive. So we'll turn this over. Again, that's the other side. I'll turn you back on in a minute. I mean, come on guys, right? I've only used this product. That's it. I haven't done any hand abrasion. I haven't done any wire wool. I haven't done anything. I mean, that is mighty, mighty, mighty impressive product. You know, it's still wet obviously, but it's a mighty impressive product. So I highly recommend it. Now folks, that is exactly the same pipe that I started with. I mean, look, it's really impressive, really impressive. Right folks, I'm not intending to be out all night. Time's tramping on a bit. I've finished this, polished it, a few little smudge marks, but they'll come out. But as you can see, what a difference. What a difference. Very impressive. Very, very impressive. So hopefully that video will help you a little bit. Give me a like if you like what I'm doing, and see you in the next video.